Just a little flex, try swing to get you doing your thing. Come on, tonight's the night to let the light on the inside sing. It's time to let the truth ring. Here we go. And if you're loving the beat, then let me see you do-si-do. I hope you poke around when I be feeling the sound. It goes 1, 2, left, right, everybody step, slide, hips grind, never mind, feeling the groove. And if you're stepping up in somebody's way, well then move. This is just the start of it, carving and make a mark with a sparking truth. The music that's exclusive to the body, rocking hands up like movement. From the office to the basement, we never stay complacent. We face it with words to spark changes. All this life stuff happens for the right reasons, like rocking a show and getting signed the same evening. Still maintaining, walking up and down the pavement. For something more to movie than my daily situation. The movement, now get your bodies moving. Get it, because let's move.
Yeah, happy to get that out the way. Stoked I got that first 9 and just really consolidated on the next one and loosened up a bit on the second wave and got a 9.6, so I can't complain.
In constant motion, everything is moving, even particles